Hi, I'm Ross Overstreet with FLIR Systems, and this video is entry-level infrared cameras getting started, from receiving the box with the new camera or the rental camera to getting the first image. So when you purchase or rent a camera, you'll receive a case, and in the case will be the camera, a power supply with separate power cord, a gigabit Ethernet cable, and possibly additional lenses depending on exactly what you purchased. Here we have a 15-degree lens and a 45-degree lens. So let's take a closer look at the camera. The first thing you'll notice is really small. It's about the size of a soda can, but just a little bit longer. If we take a look at the front of it, you'll see it comes with a lens cover. If we remove the lens cover, you'll see the front of the lens. Notice that there's a lens button release over here on the side. If you press on the lens ring release, you can remove the lens ring. You'll notice some electrical contacts up near the top of the camera. This allows us to auto-identify the lenses that we install and load the correct calibration routines for those. It also allows us to measure the temperature of the lens and include that in the calibration equation. This is critical for maintaining accuracy with different lens configurations. To install a new lens, simply look for the white dot on the lens. It goes up. These are bayonet mounts, so you just align the white dot with the FLIR logo, twist until you hear a click. Now the lens is firmly attached. To release it, just press the same button that removed the lens ring, twist counterclockwise, and it comes off again. Taking a look at the other features of the camera, you'll notice that it has 1/4-20 tripod mounts on 3 different sides. This makes it really easy to mount the camera in any orientation. If we spin around and look at the back of the camera, you'll see 3 main inputs. We have power right here, Ethernet or gigabit Ethernet right here, and then the green connector is for external I/O. Some models in the A series line allow digital lines to be triggered based on onboard analysis and alarming, or they allow trigger signals to be sent into the camera. So let's connect this up to a PC and get our first image. So let's apply power. We're using the wall power supply in this case, but the camera will also come with a pigtail that can be wired directly to a 12 to 24 VDC source. Next, we cable up Ethernet. And at this point, we have to wait a few minutes while the PC assigns an IP address to the camera. The pop-up dialog box says local area connection. This connection has limited or no connectivity. This is just a sign that it's now communicating with the camera instead of the internet that it expects. At this point, you can close the window and launch ExaminIR software. So here we see ExaminIR launch. The first thing that it does is go out and scan for any attached devices. In this case, we see a virtual camera that's in here for some of the products that we sell from our ATSF division. And you'll see on our gigabit Ethernet port, we have an A325. Let's click on the A325 and we'll see our first image appear. So at this point, we have a great image. So for the next part in the series, please see the ExaminIR Max Getting Started video. Thank you.
For further information, please contact FLIR Systems